The second one is carnivores. Animals that depend on other animals for their food are carnivores. Carnivores are indirectly dependent on plants for food. How? Carnivore. For example, if you consider a tiger, it is a carnivore. Whom is it going to take as its food for nutrition? Maybe a deer. Now, what is a deer? What type of food does it eat? It is a herbivore. It is dependent on grass. So, indirectly, the tiger is dependent on grass also. And that is why carnivores are indirectly dependent on plants for food. Examples are animals that feed on herbivores. Those are predators. And animals that feed on insects are insectivores. Third, omnivores. Animals that obtain their food from both plants and animals are called omnivores. Examples are monkey, chimpanzee, humans, etc. Some of the organisms around us perform the function of cleaning and conserving the environment by the very act of feeding themselves. They are called scavengers and decomposers. Scavengers obtain their food from dead bodies of animals. For example, vulture, crow, hyena. And decomposers are some microorganisms which obtain their food by decomposing the dead bodies of organisms or other materials. As you can see in the picture, the ant eater is found in Central and South America. The bobcat or udmanzar is an ant-eating animal found in India. You can obtain its picture from the internet and learn about its nutrition. Parasitic nutrition. Saprozoic nutrition, the B1. Some insects, unicellular animals, etc., obtain the nutrients by absorbing the liquid organic material from dead bodies of other animals or from the environment. This is saprozoic nutrition. Example, houseflies, ants, spiders, etc. So what do these do? They obtain nutrition from dead and decaying matter. The C is parasitic nutrition. Have you seen small animals on the bodies of animals like dogs and buffaloes? Which are those animals? Think about it. Some animals depend upon food upon other animals, and they can obtain their food only from animals on whom they are dependent. And the animals which have such type of nutrition are called parasitic nutrition. So you must have seen some animals where, like ticks, bugs, louse, they obtain nutrition from the animals like dogs and buffaloes. Okay. From where do these little animals obtain their food? They obtain their food by sucking the blood from these animals. From where do the worms in the intestine obtain their food? They obtain their food from the intestine itself, where they are living inside. So some animals are called ectoparasites. They live on the body surface of other animals and obtain their food by sucking their blood. They are living outside the body on the surface, and that is why the mode of nutrition is ectoparasitic nutrition. Example, louse, bedbug, tick, etc. And some animals like tapeworms and roundworms, they live inside the body of other animals and obtain their food. This is endoparasitic nutrition, and these animals are known as endoparasites since they are living inside the body of another animal. Thank you.